Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we are emptying out the toy box that's underneath the sofa and attempting to sort out with the kids what's staying and what's going, which is going to be a pretty difficult task, I reckon. Keep on watching, guys. So guys, now the toy box has been emptied and cleaned, I'm going to sit down and go through everything and be ruthless and get rid of stuff that doesn't get played with anymore, because we're a hoarder when it comes to toys. Let's get going. So the kids are starting to lose interest here. They're just wanting to play with the toys instead of actually helping me go through and sort things out. And I start putting things in the bag and they're like, no, you can't throw that away. But I'm just getting fed up with all these toys and they just never play with them anymore. They're just growing up too fast. And these are toys that they've had since they were like super young and passed down from Darcy to Marshall. And we have a lot of stuff here that doesn't even belong downstairs. A lot of it belongs upstairs, but the amount of stuff they bring down and then just leave it. Like I'm just telling my little boy there to take that toy back upstairs and he's like, no, I don't want to. I can get a bit harsh when it comes to cleaning. Oh well. So we've finished, yay! This is all the things that just need to go upstairs and be put back in their proper place, and stuff that needs to go in the bin. And then underneath we have a box which has got just the cars in it, the dress up things at the back, my blankets that I don't normally like the kids getting out because the dog gets on them, and I'm a bit funny about things like that. They're blankets for me to sit on the sofa with when it's cold, not for the dog. But yeah, that's it, finished, hooray!